Hi, welcome back on Do It Yourself channel. Today I'm going to show you how to manage the notification in the Motorola Edge 30 Neo. To manage them, slide up and search for settings. Then scroll down and search for digital wellbeing here. And there is a manage notification here. And as you see, if you stick the blue one, it's enable it. If the gray, this is disable it. So if you disable some of the apps, your notification from the apps don't gonna be shown in your phone. So for example, if you disable the message, you don't even have a notification about the new message of your phone. If you don't see your apps here, you can click here and turn the all apps. And here you're gonna have every apps of your phone, and you can disable it, which notification you don't want to have on your phone. As you see, we don't want to Facebook, Gmail, in this case, Google News, and LinkedIn. And that's it. If you're done, just back. And now you don't gonna take a notification from this app. And that's it for now. I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave like, leave comment, and leave subscribe, and see you by next video. Hey!